During the next hour, we will learn about financial promotion and marketing compliance. A financial promotion is a communication that is an invitation or an inducement to engage in an investment activity. Financial promotions can be communicated via email, banners, sales aids, scripts, and several other creative methods. The main rule that applies to any means of communication is that the information presented must be clear, fair, and not misleading. We will examine financial promotion and marketing compliance in 4 information-packed sessions. In the first session, we will examine the role of the regulatory framework and competent authorities in countries such as the UK, Malta, the US, Cyprus, and Germany for the protection of consumers and investors. Regulation is imposed to protect investors and clients against mismanagement and fraud, and helps establish stability and integrity in the financial sector. Furthermore, we will analyze how clients benefit as a result of regulations in clients' funds safeguarding requirements, the regulatory framework for the protection of inexperienced investors, and other mandatory disclosures to investors. In the second session, we will examine the principles and guidelines to be followed while conducting financial promotions to clients. These principles, which a firm needs to adhere to when conducting financial promotions to clients, have to be fair, clear, and not misleading. In our third session, we will examine the advertising guidelines that firms should follow in order to ensure that disseminated information is fair, clear, and not misleading. A firm must apply a high level of due diligence to evaluate the complex products it offers and must assess whether these are appropriate and suitable for its clients before their distribution. Moreover, we will examine practices that are not compliant with the law when it comes to distributing marketing communications to clients. Our fourth and final session deals with the unfair business-to-consumer commercial practices. These practices are considered to be unfair if they go against professional diligence requirements, or in other words, the general principle of good faith in the trader's field of activity. We will also examine aggressive commercial practices, or when using harassment, coercion, physical force, or undue influence may significantly impair the consumer's ability to make a transactional decision.